exact settings I would use to get great footage from day one. I'm gonna go.
Is it focused? Good morning. Good morning. What happened to the color? Good morning. Just woke up right now. Good morning, guys. I just woke up right now. Hi. I'll see you later.
Thank you for the heartbeat, guys.
Killing it, girl. Sweet dreams. Come on. Let's sing Sweet Dreams with me, guys, by J-Hope. Sweet dreams come after hours. Go. Welcome back. Welcome back. Sweet dreams come after hours. Nothing does not allow. You should never sleep alone. I'll always take you home. There's nothing left but diamond necklace on you, girl. Night and time, you're my epic television Gemini, and it goes like this: take you home, take it slow, till I buy you. Gotta move in my mind, and it goes like this: close curtains of the night, lay down your skin on mine, breathe all the rest to me. Yeah. Sweet dreams come after hours. Hello, guys. There's everything, man. Actually, let me sing a song for you guys. What would you like to listen to? Killing It Group, Mona Lisa, and Mona Lisa will be best, right? Mona Lisa. Oh, my girl. 안녕하세요. I like my girls pretty so fine. 1+9. How you can be going, I just blowing. I like my girls pretty in the face. I was the same. Mona Lisa, yeah, I need you. I like my girls and the banana jack. Got her on check. By the way, you're in the heart. You know you're just my type. Gotta get you, cause you know you're what I like. I like my girls pretty so fine. 1+9. How you get me going, I just blow it. I like my girls pretty in the... I'm very glad to meet you all. Hope you guys are doing well. And for today's guest, for the first time, I'm doing a podcast with my friend. And I hope it goes well. So, yeah, introducing my friend. Let's introduce my friend. Show interview begin. She interview begin. Let's wait for her to return back. Is introducing my friend. Slam chicky dio hai na ko sini. Show podcast again. Show hai. Please. Show podcast. 김치 생각하지. 김치는少し安くして. 김치 가베브레로 좋던데. 진짜지?そうですね。しょ。Try dulu. Konding dah berjuang mega kecil beda katanya. sample. I think that Ku sample. Kachira better tarikapchi. Opening ceremony. Kachigi.
쌤 10이라 신임에 나오는
Oi, kachibe sim shumela.
쌤이야.
Hmm.
쌤 위에 신임에 같이 있는 거. 신임에 시오메 왜?
Ah, de mago, sim shin me misena.
쌤들 이런 신임에 시오메 왜? 같이 남아시. 근데 캠퍼스 아니면 두르기짜리 좀 짜리 내가 진짜 왜?
Ah, andani mo din. Ngai chai to tana te.
하나.
Free.
네.
Kade beoshita mo.
근데 배워 진짜 왜 써요? 와기 락가 가시다 봐. 커튼 속 디스 남잖아.
Manyen ba ve.
커튼 속 내가 자 돼.
Hey.
좋아 좋아. 커튼 같이 써. 남준 남이라고. 추지딩 나보다 남준.
Loji de stories aqui. Hello guys. So I took lots of time to connect mic to the camera. So wait a minute, I need to fix this mic. Wind something muff the thing I did muff to mic. I have a wind muff, but I didn't know how to connect it. This is must to show. Hello guys, I finally got this one, but I don't know how to fix this. So wait a minute, actually I'm shooting from my TJ right now.
Ito yung mic win muff. Nilalagay sa isa.
It's literally me searching how to
Do these get fitted?
put this wind muff.
We've got one with and one without here, as you can see.
It's
So what
really
I'll do is I'll go
difficult.
ahead and show you how to fit it onto this one. So I've got our wind muffler.
Mishibisi gadabina.
Clean, no background
No,
noise.
no
I
way.
mean, this is gonna take your content creation game to the next level. And look at how
It's really difficult, guys. By the way, I'm very, very happy to have it.
Gusto mo gang mag-improve at mas mag
It's gray
itong aking
and
microphone
black.
win-
I have got two pairs,
filter nito yung air na lumalabas
black
sa
and
bibig ko.
gray one. Many are magnetic. I can't see anything here. I better keep up putting this wind muff on my mic. So let's check how my mic sounds. Thank you guys. Thank you for your love. Please do subscribe, like and share. My YouTube as Lhadrey only. So the day ends with this. Thank you. Annyeong. Bye bye.